Hello, today we'll be unboxing the Yealink BH71 Pro Bluetooth headset. The BH71 Pro comes with this very cool charging case that charges the BH71 on the go. The BH71 itself has up to 10 hours of talk time. With the charging case included, you'll virtually never run out of battery life. As we open the case, we can see the BH71 snugly fits, and when in use, you can drop the BH71 onto the top of the case to keep it charged. There are LEDs in the front of the case to get current power levels. Upon putting on the BH71, you can feel how light this headset is. It's very hard to even tell it's on your ear, and it has little to no movement while you move your head. I've worn many headsets in the past that go over the ear that over the course of the day will leave your ear red and irritated and become uncomfortable. This headset does not have this issue, which makes it great for all-day use. The BH71 can swivel to accommodate both left and right ear wearing. You can also adjust the height of the earpiece as well by pulling it down. The BH71 Pro comes with your standard call controls, with the ability to call, mute, accept, and reject calls. One of the nice features of this single ear headset is its excellent noise cancellation. I've walked around to our various departments, which were all very loud, while on a call, and I could still hear the other party perfectly fine. For those of you looking for a small, single-ear Bluetooth headset with great battery life and noise cancellation, this is an excellent option for you. 888 VoIP currently has these in stock, so give us a call or visit our website for more information. Thank you.